Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class 2 student. Dear student, our today's topic is chapter 15. The name of our today's chapter is taking care of our environment. Let's see today's topic. This is chapter number 15, taking care of our environment, and this is lecture number 12. I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 11 number SW. Before starting our class, I want to show your science book. This is your science book, and our today's topic is here. This is page number 104. So let's start today's class. At first we will read this chapter, then after that we will do some exercise of this chapter. Look at this chapter. Here is a boy. His name is Kishore. Kishore goes to school. His science teacher tells the class about the Earth Day. She tells them every year on April 22, people from all over the world do activities that helps to keep the environment of the earth clean. Then she tells the children the different ways to celebrate the Earth Day, like going to a local park and cleaning up the trash, organizing a clean-up day at school, and making posters for display at school. For number, planting a fruit or vegetable garden, and then going on a nature walk and going on a picnic at a local park. The class children decide to go on a clean-up mission to the local park nearby. You can see this picture, they are cleaning a park. Now here is a question, why we should take care of our environment? Our surrounding is called our environment. Throwing rubbish or littering the places around us spoils our environment. Throwing rubbish here and there gives rise to germs that make us sick. Here is another question, how we can keep our environment clean? We should take care of our surrounding and keep our environment clean to remain healthy. We can take care of our surrounding by following some simple habits. Always throw litter or rubbish in the dustbins. Keep your surrounding clean and tidy. Do not spit here and there. Grow more plants. We should follow this to keep our environment clean. Now here is another question, why we should not use plastic? Plastic bags are harmful for our environment. They do not get mixed with the soil when we throw them here and there. They block the drains. The roads become flooded when it rains. They fly around and fall in rivers, lakes and seas. This pollutes the water bodies. They are also very harmful for fishes and animals living in the water bodies. You can see this picture. Here is a plastic bag harming animals. This is aquatic animal. And here is another last question. How can we help? We can use a cloth bag or paper bag instead of plastic bags. Reuse plastic things. So, dear student, I have finished reading this chapter. Now, we will do some exercise of this chapter. Our first exercise is take the correct answer. Number 1, our surrounding is our planet, Earth and environment. The right answer is environment. So we will put tick here. And 2 number, always throw rubbish in the pond, drains or dustbins. Yes, the right answer is dustbins. Then we will put tick here. 3 number, we should take care of our environment to feel good, feel happy or be healthy. Our correct answer is here, be healthy. So we will put tick here also. Now we will do some true or false of this chapter. 1 number true false is we should use cloth bags and not plastic bags. Yes, we should use cloth bags instead of plastic bags. So this statement is true. Then we will write here true. 2 number, plastic bags block the drains. Yes, this statement is true. Plastic bags block the drains. So we will write here true again. True. And then 3 number, plastic mix with the soil easily. No, this statement is false. Plastic does not make mixed with the soil easily. So we will write here false. And the last one is it is good to throw litter here and there. No, this statement is also false. It is very bad to throw litter here and there. So we will write here false. So dear student, now I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our SW number is 11 number SW. When you will do your SW, please write down the SW number on your SW copy, and your SW will be this true false and false. Here is a 4 true false, and this is your SW. I am repeating your SW. This is 11 number SW, and your SW will be this true false. At first write down the sentence and write is it true and false like this. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2 marks for each SW. Dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.